Phil from YSM Inspections coming to you live today from Fort Lauderdale. We're just south of Sistrunk, and in an area like this, 1963 home, you could expect a lot of problems such as cast iron pipes, old electrical wiring, all sorts of issues. Fortunately, on this home today, pretty much everything's been updated. Got a new roof, newer water heater, AC, kitchen bathrooms have been updated, even the cast iron's been replaced. So very nice to find that. Obviously they still have to finish the roof. Just a few little things like some wood rot and the driveway needs to be repaired, and there was some moisture as well underneath a couple of the windows, so it needs to be looked at. But very pleased to find this older home in very good shape today.